Hello, today we will guide you through how to convert PDF to Word in iLovePDF. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to take a PDF file and start the process of converting it into a Word document using the available conversion tools in your workspace. The process is simple, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few moments. To begin, open the Workspace page in your browser. This is where your document tools are organized and where you can access different file actions, including conversion options. Once the workspace has loaded, take a moment to look at the menu on the left side of the screen. This navigation panel helps you move between tools quickly. From that left-hand navigation, click on Convert. This section is where you'll find the different file conversion features available to you. After selecting Convert, the main panel will update to show the supported conversion types. Next, click on PDF to Word. This is a specific tool you'll use when you want to turn a PDF into an editable Word document. Choosing the correct conversion option is important here, since there may be other tools for different file types. Once you're on the PDF to Word screen, click Upload New Files if the PDF you want to convert is stored on your device. This will open your file browser, allowing you to locate the document you want to work with. If you already know where your file is saved, this part should be quick and straightforward. If your file was previously used in the workspace, you also have the option to click Choose from Recent Files instead. This can save time because you won't need to browse through folders again. It's especially helpful if you've been working with the same document recently or if you uploaded it earlier. After that, select the sample files or whichever file you want to convert, and then follow the on-screen procedure. Depending on your setup, you may see prompts to confirm the upload, review the selected file, or continue the conversion process. Just proceed through each on-screen instruction until the tool finishes preparing your file. As a general tip, it's a good idea to double-check that you selected the correct PDF before continuing, especially if several files have similar names. That can help avoid converting the wrong document and save time later. And that's it. Once you've uploaded or chosen your file and followed the prompts on screen, you'll be on your way to converting your PDF into a Word document.